and I don't want to go hand change each one. We want to make cover subhead different. And it's on both pages, the first page and page 2. So nothing is selected, no text boxes and no styles. And then I'm going to double click to open up what is known as the paragraph style options. Here, I'll make a little change by going to basic character formats, and I'm going to make this just a tad smaller to make my director happy. That's the change I've made. If you move this panel over a little bit and you click on the preview checkbox, you can see it changing sizes. Oh yes, much better, she says. And then when I actually commit to the change by clicking OK, I've committed to that change, and it may be a minuscule difference to the eye at this point, but it is just really important to notice that on both pages it's changed, and you can't really see that it's different because it's only relatively smaller, but it's changed on all. So the point being that nothing is selected. You go into the style, you make a change to the style. I'll just close up the line letting a little bit to 22 on 28. And again, I can say before and after. And this is on the cover or the first page. When I click OK, that change has also occurred on my page 2. The line letting is changed. And so that is the point to having paragraph styles at all, because you can create global changes across multiple pages in a given document in InDesign.